In this screencast, you will learn about the amazing process of something called photosynthesis. By the end, you should be able to explain the process of photosynthesis. I want you to start by thinking about how your body gets the energy it needs to function. What about animals? Where do they get their energy? You both get energy from the food you eat. Food is in need of all living things. But what about plants? They don't have mouths or stomachs. They can't go order a hamburger. If all living things need food, how does a plant eat? Pause the screencast here to discuss your thoughts with a partner. If you're working alone, record your thoughts in your notebook. Plants get their energy from the sun. But how? Take a moment to study this diagram. Feel free to pause again and discuss with your partner or write a reflection in your notebook. The leaves of a plant are like solar panels that capture the sun's rays. They also capture carbon dioxide from the air. The process of photosynthesis happens in the leaves. Let's go back and take a look at that diagram. Carbon dioxide and sunlight enter the leaves. The plant's roots collect water and nutrients from the soil. These nutrients aren't the plant's food. They're more like a vitamin that it takes. Have you ever taken a vitamin, maybe a Chewy or something else that your family has given you to help keep you healthy? In the leaves, carbon dioxide and water are converted to glucose and oxygen with the help of the sun's energy. Glucose is like a chicken nugget for the plant. Glucose is the plant's food. Leaves are a food factory. Animals, including humans and even fish, need oxygen to breathe. When we breathe out, we exhale carbon dioxide. It would be dangerous for us to breathe in too much carbon dioxide. But luckily, a plant takes our carbon dioxide and converts it back into oxygen during photosynthesis. It's so cool. Sometimes I've noticed people walking by and picking leaves off trees and plants. I've noticed people ripping leaves, tearing them, and even poking holes in them. What do you think would happen if someone picked off or destroyed the leaves on this hibiscus plant? Take one last moment to pause the screencast and talk about your thoughts with a partner or reflect on them in your notebook. Plants are really amazing. They take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and they convert it or change it into food for themselves and oxygen for us. This process is called photosynthesis.